NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are going to revolutionize our world in different aspects of our life. They are still in their infancy because it is still hard for people to understand how amazing and powerful this technology is. At the same time, it's a great opportunity for you and me to link and sell a product, physical or digital, or a service to a specific NFT collection. No matter what you decide to sell via your NFT, you must pay attention to different variables, especially because of the stage of the NFT market we live in. For instance, utility behind the collection, how many pieces this collection is made of, rarities, and so on. I have created different videos to let you understand all these crucial aspects. You can find them on my YouTube channel in the NFT playlist. With that said, in this video, I want to give you a different perspective by sharing with you 3 great NFT marketing ideas you can adopt to sell anything you want: a product, digital or physical, or a service. So, let's do it! My name is Max Cecco, and I teach you the skills and mindset to turn your knowledge or someone else's expertise into a 7-figure business. If you like my content, subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. NFT marketing idea number 1. High value for a few people. Let me explain this marketing concept because it is extremely important for you to apply it, especially in your first NFT collection. First of all, regardless of the NFT collection you want to sell, you must have a community of people that are following you on social media. No community, no sales. Then, your first NFT collection should be available only for a few people. The primary marketing strategy here is to create scarcity in order to elicit FOMO, fear of missing out, once you release the collection. And keep in mind that it is your first NFT collection, and therefore you should give immense value only to a few people. Indeed, the utility behind each NFT you release is what makes people attached to that specific NFT. If no one or only a few people list their NFT in the secondary market, such as OpenSea.io, it means that your entire collection increases its value and consequently the floor price increases as well. So, as I have already said in the previous videos, do not make your first NFT collection more than 3,000 pieces. And honestly, 1,000 pieces could be more than enough. I perfectly know that the first collections released 2 years ago were about 10,000 pieces and over, but we are not in 2020. And the market has changed and you have to think differently if you want to become successful. Once you have launched your first collection with immense value and with a great utility behind it, you can start thinking of releasing the second collection and so on. For this specific reason, do not limit yourself to create one single project. You should think of an NFT collection as a single product or service that satisfies different audiences or solve different problems. Think about it. NFT marketing idea number 2. Establish partnerships to increase NFT's value. Regardless if you have already released your first NFT collection or you are thinking about how to add value to make your collection stand out from the other ones, you should consider establishing the right partnerships with other brands, corporate or personal brands. Now, let me make 2 distinctive examples. Example number 1. Suppose you want to link your intellectual property to your NFT collection. For instance, you are a fitness coach and your NFT collection grants access to your knowledge and experience, some live events, for example live streaming or in the real world, and other utilities. To better satisfy your audience, you could partner with other professionals to include some other services that normally require an investment to be purchased. And you can say something like this: to get that product or service for free, you don't have to sell your NFT for the next 12 months minimum. This strategy benefits the token holder, the value of your collection, and the other professional you partner with because they have the opportunity to introduce themselves and sell other products or services to the NFT's holders. Example number 2. Based on your target audience, who you want to serve, you can establish partnerships with important brands. You can sell their products or services with a significant discount and or establish a deal to create a product together only for your audience. This last product can be free of cost or you can sell it for a defined price. Keep in mind that only the token holders will benefit from these fantastic partnerships. NFT marketing idea number 3. Create other NFT collections. Once you have established your brand, I highly urge you to create other NFT collections with different utilities associated in order to satisfy other members of your community. Your first NFT collection must be the most valuable, but only for a few people. And for this specific reason, you can sell it even for a premium price. It all depends on how big your community is and how strong the relationship you have established with them is. The second collection should grant access maybe to a different target audience who has different problems to solve, or simply they are interested in a different service. Let me make an example in order to clarify this concept. Suppose the main goal of your first NFT collection is to grant access to live seminars or restricted streaming events where you share your expertise. In that case, the second NFT collection could be linked to a service in which you offer your team competencies to help people overcome their obstacle. No matter what you are selling, think about offering different stuff to different target audiences, or you can satisfy the same audience who wants to establish a deep business relationship with you. The possibilities are endless and they are only limited by your imagination. Now, if you are thrilled to discover more about NFTs and how to market your collection, I highly urge you to watch this video. 3 NFT marketing tips to pre-sell your NFT collection faster in order to make a big sold out when you open the doors. You will love this content. So, watch this video now.